our 12-pan Gelato freezer display. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 46.5 inches, a depth of 27.5 inches, and overall height 51 inches tall. Minus the top portion, the height we're looking at 34.5 inches. Coming to the bottom on the display will be the window, and the measurement for the window will include 37.25 inches in length by 9 inches tall. Measurements apply for the window only. Coming to the back of the display are dual slide doors, and on the inside of the freezer are additional 2 sliding doors where the 12 pans of gelato will be displayed. Pans will be included, with each one measuring 6.5 inches in length by 10.5 inches in depth. For the interior dimensions, we have 5.25 inches in length by 9.25 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the rest of the other pans that will be included. For the interior dimensions, overall depth of the space inside the display, we have 20.5 inches in depth by 40 inches in length. Coming to the back of the display case will be an LED strip located on top of the ceiling. That's it. Dual slide doors on the inside to keep your gelato display fresh, along with the dual slide doors on the outside whenever you're not serving. Coming to the back of the display will be the technical specs for this freezer. Coming to the bottom side of the case will be the 110-120 voltage plug, along with the temperature controller to operate this display. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.